Over the years, I mean, for a long time, people have asked me about buying a block plane. Which one do I recommend? Do I recommend them? Why would you use one? And actually, I don't recommend them at all. I have really very little use for a block plane. The only time they are kind of useful is when you're using very small work, or you need a plane for single-handed use like this. If you took the corners off here, it's useful for things like that, and it's useful for very small work. I use them on different inlay work from time to time. It's not an essential tool. That's why I didn't include it in my book, Essential Woodworking Hand Tools. What's the difference between a low-angle block plane or a low-angle plane and a regular plane? Well, there's very, very little difference, because if you even took the low-angle plane, this block plane, the bedded angle is actually 12 degrees. So when you put the plane in, it's a bevel-up plane. Add to that the 30 degree for the pitch, and you've got 42 degree presentation. This one is only 44 to 45 degrees, so there's only 3 degrees difference maximum. So when you're actually using the plane, what's the difference? Well, the difference between this plane, this will do 1,000 times or 100,000 times more than this plane will do, because it's bigger, it's got a little bit more strength and some guts to it. This one is very limited in its functionality, but it's handy to have in the toolbox from time to time. This one will do everything you want it to do. It'll do exactly what this one will do. So I really don't recommend a block plane unless you just like owning a block plane. If you like block planes, get the low angle 12 degree bedded angle, but it's not going to do any more than a number 4 smoothing plane will do. So there you have it. That's my opinion. I haven't found a lot of use for a block plane. They're handy from time to time. If I want to use a plane, this is the plane I shoot for. It's just a regular Stanley number 4. It does everything I want it to do. No need for anything else.